Kuzambo, Namaste, and hello to everyone. Welcome back to Safety Talk with Pravachan. Today we are going to talk about something very important but often ignored, near miss incidents, which is often called the warning before the accident. Let me ask you something. Have you ever slipped but didn't fall? Or a tool dropped near you but didn't hit you? We usually laugh it off and say, nothing happened, I am safe. मलाई त केही भएन लागेन म चिप्लियो तर लड्दा पनि लडेन भनेर तपाईहरुले हाँसेर टार्दिनुहुन्छ है और बाल बाल बच गए वो भी आप लोग बोलते हो but in safety terms we call it as a near miss. A near miss is a warning sign. It means something almost went wrong and next time it might not be so lucky. In the industries like ours, especially in 24-hour running plant, near miss happen every day. A loose bolt, oil spill on the floor, not wearing PP properly, ignoring a small hazard. These may seem small, but they are actually early signals of major accidents. Here's the problem. Most workers don't report near misses. Why? Nothing happened, so no need to report. केही भएन रिपोर्ट गर्नुको अर्थै छैन है. It's too small. यो सानो हो केही पनि हुँदैन. I don't want trouble. म हावामा किन प्रब्लममा पस्नु भनेर कसले पनि रिपोर्ट गर्दैन. But let me tell you clearly, ignoring a near miss is like ignoring a ticking time bomb. Real safety message हजुरहरुलाई म के दिनु चाहन्छु भनी every major accident is usually preceded by many near misses. If we report and correct them early, we can prevent injuries, damages, and even loss of life. Now, what should we do? के चाहिँ गर्नुपर्छ त अब हामीले भन्दाखेरि हामीले तपाई हजुरले के गर्नुपर्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ if you see or experience a near miss, report immediately to your supervisor or OHS team. Identify the hazards. Take corrective action. Share with others so they learn too. Remember, reporting is not blaming. It is protecting everyone. Now, safety is not just about rules. It's about awareness and action. Next time you see something almost happen, don't ignore. Please don't ignore, because today's near miss can be tomorrow's accidents. Thank you for listening to Safety Talk with Pravachan. Stay safe, stay alert, because safety starts with you. Bye.